Forza Horizon 6, whereas the save game files and config files located on PC. Sharpen French 1, open run window. Press Windows R on your keyboard, the run dialog box will appear. You can quickly access hidden folders from here. 2, open local app data folder. Type %, local app data % in the run box. Press enter to open the folder. This location stores many game config files. 3, find the Forza Horizon 6 folder. Look for a folder related to Forza Horizon 6. Open the game data folder carefully. Config and cache files may be stored here. 4, check Xbox app save location. Navigate to C, users, your username, app data local-packages. Search for the Forza Horizon 6 package folder. Save data is usually inside the system app data folder. 5, locate save game files. Open the package folder. Go to system app data-wgs. Your save files are normally stored there. 6, find config files. Check folders like local cache or local state. Graphics and gameplay settings may be saved there. Backup config files before editing them. 7, enable Hidden Files View. Open File Explorer. Click View, Show, Hidden Items. Hidden app data folders will now appear. 8, backup your save files. Copy the save folder to another drive. Keep a backup before reinstalling or resetting the game. This helps prevent progress loss. 9, restore save files if needed. Replace damaged saves with your backup files. Paste them back into the original save folder. Restart the game afterward. 10, use Steam or Xbox Cloud Sync carefully. Wait for cloud synchronization to finish completely. Avoid closing the game during syncing. Incorrect sync can corrupt save data.